Former MLAs P. Brojan Singh and Ngamthang Haokip have been appointed as advisors to Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren. Special Secretary, Cabinet, Government of Manipur and Geoffrey informed this through a release today. 14 local clubs and Tenta Gram Panchayat in Wangjing Tenta constituency under Thoubal district have jointly formed an All Tenta Coordinating Committee (ATCC) today. According to our Thoubal correspondent, former Minister and CPI Manipur State Council leader Dr. M. Nara administered the oath of office to the newly appointed office bearers of the ATCC at Tenta Multiplats. One staffer of Manipur Development Financial Investment (MDFI) Nonay branch and some staffers of Manipur Rural Bank Nonay branch have tested positive for COVID-19 today. Chief Medical Officer Nonay District Dr. Edwin Golmay has asked all the staff members of Manipur Rural Bank Nonay and all individuals who visited the bank from September 22 to 25 to report immediately for testing. Observing the Jananita Hijam Irawat month, the COVID-19 frontline warriors Kurai Chaitabi Leirak Machin today organized a social service camp in Kurai area under Imphal East. Altogether, 30 volunteers of the group took part in the program. Government of India is open to discuss protection available under 6th schedule of the Constitution to Ladakh, said Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju at a press conference today. He said the delegation has agreed to withdraw their demand to boycott the elections. Owing to incessant rains in the past few days, Assam has witnessed flood for the third time this year. One person died due to the flood. Around 1 lakh people of 155 villages and 6,437 hectares of land in Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Morigaon, Nagaon Kampur and West Karbi Anglong have been affected by the flood. Assam yesterday recorded a total of 1,736 COVID-19 cases detected out of the total 25,831 tests conducted, informed State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. As per reports, the positivity rate of Assam currently stands at 6.27%. The total COVID-19 cases detected in Assam has reached to 1,69,110 so far. Assam currently has 30,162 active COVID-19 patients.